Okay, with this one we have pints to milliliters. So let's take a look at our conversion factors. We're looking for pints and milliliters. So we have pints. Let's see. We have liters here. That might be helpful. Let's see if we can get the marker to work. We have pints here. We have liters there, so that could be helpful. We have pints here. We have pints here. Okay, so we have two different options for pints. But you'll notice that we have liters here, and it looks like that's the only place we have liters. So if we have quarts and quarts, that means that we can go from pints to quarts, and then quarts to liters, and then liters to milliliters. So that's the route I'm going to take. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use this one. And then from liters, I can say 1,000 milliliters. Oops, there's supposed to be another zero in there. 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So we're going to start with our beginning number, making it into a fraction. So 15 pints over 1. All I did was make it into a fraction. I have pints on top. That means I want to put pints on the bottom. Now if we look over here at our conversion factor, the number 2 goes with pints. And that equals 1 quart. So I'm going to put that on top. So pints and pints cancel out, and we're left over with quarts. Now we need to get from quarts to liters. We have quarts on top, which means we want to put quarts on the bottom. You notice that 1.06 goes with quarts. That is equal to 1 liter. So that's going to go on top. Quarts on top, quarts on bottom. That means those cancel out. Finally, we have liters on top. That means we want liters on bottom. And this is the one that we had to memorize. This wasn't in our list. And that's 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. We had to memorize it because of that prefix right there. Milli means 1,000. You notice that liters goes with the number 1. So we're going to put 1 on the bottom. And that equals 1,000 milliliters. And then liters and liters cancel. So that gives us 15 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 1.06 times 1 divided by 1 times 1,000. And that ends up being 7075 milliliters. Now, if we go back to our original number, we notice that we have two significant figures in 15. So that means we are going to round that off to 7,100 milliliters. Right? And that's how you do part C of number 1.